Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Apple TV 4K, and trust me, this might be the biggest upgrade we've seen in years. Apple's next streaming box is shaping up to be faster, smarter, more affordable, and packed with features that could completely change how we experience entertainment in the living room. From leaks and rumors about a brand new chip, to potential support for Wi-Fi 7, a possible built-in FaceTime camera, and even Apple's latest AI-driven software upgrades, there's a lot to get excited about. Plus, we'll break down the expected specs, top 10 features, release date, and price, including whether Apple might finally drop it below that magical $100 price point. So stick around, because in this video we're covering everything you need to know about the upcoming 2025 Apple TV 4K introduction, leaks, rumors, specs, features, release date, and price in detail. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming deep dives on the latest Apple products, including the iPhone 17, Apple Watch Ultra 3, and of course, this brand new Apple TV 4K. Apple TV 4K evolution, and explain why the 2025 model is key. Competition, Roku, Fire TV, NVIDIA Shield, smart TVs gaining ground. Transition into leaks. Apple needs to make this model more affordable, more powerful, and smarter. Design rumors and new look rumored slimmer, more compact body to reduce heat and cost. Possible new colors like Apple Watch, iMac strategy. Integration with liquid glass design language, matches iOS 18, macOS Sequoia, and tvOS 26. Apple's eco-friendly push. Recycled aluminum, smaller box, reduced packaging. Specs upgrade the new chip. Current Apple TV runs a 15 Bionic, 2022 iPhone 13 chip. Rumors Apple could use a 18 or a 19 chip from iPhone 16 series. Benefits: faster performance for tvOS animations. Better graphics, Apple Arcade, and AAA gaming potential. Apple Intelligence, AI, features personalized. Recommendations, voice-based search, on-device processing. Wi-Fi and connectivity leaks. Apple's custom combined Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth chip, better power efficiency. Wi-Fi 6E support, expanded 6 GHz band for less interference. Possible leap to Wi-Fi 7, 40 gigabits per second theoretical speeds. 4x Wi-Fi 6E. How this benefits 4K and 8K HDR streaming. Cloud gaming with ultra-low latency. Smooth multi-user streaming in the same home. Bluetooth upgrade, faster connection with controllers, AirPods, HomePod. Built-in camera for FaceTime. Current setup: Apple TV FaceTime via continuity camera, needs iPhone/iPads. Rumor: built-in camera, no more docking hassle. Benefits: family FaceTime on the big screen. Center stage support, auto pan and zoom. Potential gesture control, hand wave to pause/play. Speculation: camera might also support Apple Fitness Plus workouts, form tracking. tvOS 26 features major software improvements, personalized profiles, auto-detect when Apple TV wakes. Contact posters in FaceTime, custom photos plus names. Live captions in 6 new languages: French, German, Japanese, Korean, Mandarin, Spanish. Apple Music Sing plus iPhone as mic karaoke nights. Posters in vertical card design for content more cinematic. Gaming on Apple TV 4K 2025. A18, A19 chip could rival Nintendo Switch 2-level gaming. Apple Arcade expansion, more console-quality titles. Entertainment ecosystem. Apple TV as the hub of Apple's ecosystem works seamlessly with iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, HomePod, Vision Pro. Example: AirPods auto-switching, instant big screen experience. Integration with Apple Vision Pro, immersive TV experiences, SharePlay in VR. Apple One bundle. Apple TV Arcade, Fitness, iCloud. Unified content library, compete with Netflix, Disney. Price rumors and affordability. Bloomberg reports sub-$100 price in 2025. Comparison: 2010 and 2012 Apple TVs $99 at launch, later dropped to $69. Current 2022/2023 $129, 64 gigabytes. $149, 128 gigabytes. Why lower pricing matters: compete with Roku, $50. Fire TV, $40. Google Chromecast, $50. wider adoption more. Apple TV subscriptions. Speculation possible light version under $100, plus premium model at $129, $149. Release date expectations historically. Apple TV launches are sporadic, 2012, 2017, 2021, 2022. Most likely, September/October 2025, alongside iPhone 17 and Apple Watch 11. Possibility November, December holiday release. Apple sometimes drops TV quietly. Early supply chain leaks suggest mass production starting mid-2025. Top 10 features of Apple TV 4K 2025. Countdown style recap for hype and retention. Faster A18/A19 chipped. Wi-Fi 7 support. Built-in FaceTime camera. Gesture controls. Personalized profiles. New liquid glass design in tvOS 26. Apple Music Sing with wireless mic, cloud gaming, and stronger Apple Arcade. Sub $100 price point. Seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. Vision Pro. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Apple TV 4K, from the rumored A18 or A19 chip, to possible Wi-Fi 7 support, the exciting idea of a built-in FaceTime camera, and all the new tvOS 26 features that are going to make the Apple TV experience feel brand new. If Apple really does manage to hit that sub-$100 price point, while still giving us all of these next-gen features, I think this could finally be the year that the Apple TV becomes a true mainstream hit, not just for Apple fans, but for anyone looking for the best streaming box out there. But I want to hear from you. What do you think? Are you sticking with your current Apple TV? Or are these new features enough to make you consider upgrading in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a fellow Apple fan who's curious about what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching. This has been, and I'll catch you in the next one.